Hi everybody, it is Casey, Huntington Beach Barbie, Casey Loves Rugrats. My name on YouTube for years has been Casey Loves Rugrats, but recently my names on every social media have been Huntington Beach Barbie for the past couple of years, and that's just kind of how people know me on the internet and kind of in real life. So I think I might change my YouTube name to that soon, to Huntington Beach Barbie or HB Barbie. But I don't know, I can't let go of the Casey Loves Rugrats. It's hard. But hi everyone, how's it going? Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of a package I got from FinFun Mermaid. I recently got a job with a company called HB Mermaids, and I am a mermaid. Sorry, I can't talk. But I'm a mermaid for birthday parties and different events. I just basically dress up as a mermaid and, you know, talk to kids or whatever event it is. I did one event where I dressed up a mermaid and literally sat there just looking pretty, and people came up to me and they're like, "Is this your job? You just get paid to sit there and look good?" And I'm like, if you think I look good, then I guess so. But yeah, it's a pretty fun job. But I have been just borrowing tails from my boss up until this point, so I decided to go ahead and get my own tail finally. So I went to finfunmermaid.com. I've been following them on Instagram ever since I became a mermaid, and I finally went and got a pink tail. So let's go ahead and open it up. It came in this box. It like appeared in my house one day because my parents like bring in my packages and stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, what is this? And then I was like, wait, I think it's my tail. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this little girl up. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to be a mermaid, and people have always, you know, said that my hair makes me look like a mermaid. I have mermaid hair or whatever, and I'm so excited about this job. I've been working with them for a few months, but I've never had my own tail. Here it is, FinFun, www.finfun.com, and then open it up all the way. Oh, stuff falling out. There's all their social medias and all of that. Mermaidens, mermaid tails. And so I also got leggings as well, because sometimes I am a mermaid assistant, so I have to assist the girl who's being a mermaid, so I'll have to be not in a fin, and I'll have to walk her out, put her on a cart, and push her while she's in her mermaid tail. So I got these leggings from FinFun that match my tail. So these are pink, size medium, adult medium. They also have tails and accessories for children as well. So these are really cute. They feel super comfy. It says FinFun on the back. They're made of like really comfy material. Polyester spandex, nice. So there's that. It says on the back, everyone deserves to dream. And ain't that the truth, honey? That's super cute. And then this bag, I think this is the tail. Congratulations, Fin Friend. And then it has instructions for care. So that's neat. It's super safe to swim in the pool and the ocean. So it's perfect for my job, because sometimes I'll be swimming in a pool, sometimes I'll be going in the ocean, sometimes I'll just be sitting on the sand or at a park or somebody's house. So this is the tail! I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. This is the fluke part of the tail. It's super cute. You could see the scalies. It's super cute. And then they have this thing called a monofin, which helps you to swim like a little mermaid. You put it in the bottom of your tail, and you can swim with it. And it's made out of like what's that called? A wetsuit material. So it's good for swimming and everything. You put your little feet in right here, and then you can swim with it. And it's super rad. So you just put it in this part of the tail, like this. You can swim with that shit, isn't it? It's super rad. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to swim with it and just be a real mermaid, which is my dream come true. Oh my goodness. So it has all the caring for your tail and monofin. Tail tips. Some of the tail tips are, should you happen to crease your monofin, simply remove the insert from the neoprene cover with adult supervision. Honey, I am my own adult supervision girlfriend. It has instructions for washing it. Follow the washing instructions on the tag of your FinFun product. So it's super rad. Look at these little mermaids. It's so freaking, oh my gosh. It's like a dream come true. Like I never knew like I could actually have a mermaid tail and be a mermaid. It shows you how to swim with it as well. It shows you all the different ways you can swim and then how to take it on and off. It says that you should sit on the edge of the pool and then put it on and then get in the water, rather than putting it on and then like walking across the concrete or whatever and then getting in the pool. So that's super amazing. I am just so excited about all of this. Oh, it comes with a little letter. Congratulations, Fin friend. Welcome to the Mer world. Thank you so much, Fin Fun. Oh my goodness. And this was super affordable, by the way. Let me look at this again. It was under $80 for all of this. The fin was super affordable. The leggings and the monofin comes separately, but it's all super affordable to become a mermaid these days. You know what I'm saying? And it's all thanks to Fin Fun. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's a poster. Oh my gosh, that's me. Oh my gosh. She's wearing a pink tail and everything. Blonde hair. That is me. That is me. And I have a dolphin friend. This is so cute. Oh, it goes like this. I love that. I want to put that on my wall. It's super cute. What is this? Mer Council. Oh, there's like a little story. These are the mermaidens. Zoe, Serena. Looks like a cool chick. Bryn. Ooh. Just kind of like Ariel-esque with her red hair and her green tail. Crystal. Looks like a down chick. Who else have we got here? Waverly. I like that name. Gia, Destiny, and Mariana, honey darling. That's super cute. I love this. Obsidian. His name is Obsidian, and look how hot he is. Fun fact, obsidian is my favorite mineral / crystal. I'm super into like healing crystals and geology and all of that, and obsidian is my favorite. Let's see. His special power is fire creation. His home sea is the Arctic Ocean. And his fin friend is Snowflake the Orca. That's super cute. I'm gonna date him. Love you, honey. Obsidian. Let's see what else is in this little envelope. Oh, these are like trading cards. Got Waverly and all of her info. Pacific Ocean, Power of Waves. Bubbles the dolphin is her friend. And then Crystal is from the Arctic Ocean. I love this. What else? Fin Fun. Dreams await. They certainly do. Oh, this is like showing their different products. So they have all different designs of tails As you can see, I just, of course, chose the pink one because, haha, I love pink. It's my favorite color. But all of these are so beautiful. Bahama Blush, Maui Splash, all the different, they all have different cute names. I love Lunar Tide. That's really beautiful. They have all different types of tails, and they also have bikini tops that can match your tail, and then little bathing suits. So I think I'm going to get a bikini top to match mine. This would be the one. It's the Malibu pink. So Malibu Barbie, MHB Barbie. And then yeah, it's just like super neat. All the different, they have like, these are like the kids sizes. So if you have kids or nieces and nephews or whatever, you can get this for them, and it like makes their dreams come true. Like, who doesn't want to be a mermaid? This is cute. And they have like sarongs and towels. I love it. Oh my gosh, they have a shark fin. For boys, they could become sharks. Or boys could be freaking mermen too, honey. It's 2018. What is this? Wild Things. Oh my gosh, it's like little towels where you could become an animal. That's so cute. Cuddle Tails. Play, relax, dream, imagine. Oh, these are like blankies. Mermaid tails. That's super cute. I love this. And then it's a letter from the Mer Council, honey darling. And yeah, that's about it. I'm so excited about this. I can't wait to put it on and jump in my pool and go to the ocean and take a million pictures. I kind of want to make a video of me like swimming in it for the first time, putting it on. So I don't know if people want to see that, but I might do that. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. All of my mermaid accessories. So thank you so much for watching. I know I haven't made a video in many moons, but here you go. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you liked it, please go ahead and leave me a big old thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know what your ideal mermaid tail color would be. Mine obviously would be pink because pink is the color of my very soul. But yeah, leave me, is it your favorite color? Is it your birthstone color? Let me know. And if you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe, please. And I'll leave links to all of my social medias down in the, what's it called now? The undercarriage? I don't know. It used to be the sidebar back in my day, in the early days of YouTube. But yeah, go ahead and follow me on social media if you'd like. And I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.